Making money online have just gotten simplified. Do you want to make money online when you like, follow, or comment on social media platform? Then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online when you comment, like, and share on social media. The name of the website is famsuptasks, and you can earn money on this platform when you like and comment. So let's quickly go to the platform. Let me show you how you can start earning online. Let's go there.
Hi everyone. If this is your first time on this website, then you're welcome to Ibwe Talks Money. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn money with famsuptasks.com. So from their page, you can see that it is written boldly there. Earn easy cash online by performing the simplest tasks. Earn thousands of naira daily by performing simple social media tasks such as liking, commenting, and following. How to earn. Create an account. Start by creating an account without any registration fee. Connect your different social media accounts to perform tasks. Carry out tasks like following other people's social and get paid for it. Withdraw earnings. Withdraw your earnings directly to your bank account easily. Earn money by helping other people. Get paid by helping people grow. No investment or sign-up fee required. Over 100 daily tasks. Instant withdrawal. No investment or sign-up fee required. So I'm going to click on register now. So, as a new user on this platform, you have to fill your email, your name, your state, your gender, your age, mail, password. Then you confirm your password and then click on register. So, as for me, I already have an account on famsuptask.com. So, what I'll do is to click on login. Then I'll put my email address, then password, and then click on login. So this is the available task. Comment on post 6 naira, like post on Twitter 4 naira, follow profile Instagram 4 naira, comment on video 4 naira, like post on Instagram 4 naira, like post on Instagram 4 naira, follow profile on Facebook 4 naira, comment on a reel 4 naira, add people on WhatsApp 4 naira. So I'm gonna choose this one, which is comment on video on YouTube. So I'm going to click this link. I'm going to click this link up here. So it's going to take me to YouTube where I can comment on a video. Great job, keep it up. So I'm going to go back to the website, upload the screenshot of the work, and once I finish uploading it, I'll click on mark complete. So these are the tasks that you need to perform, and you can easily earn 1000 naira every single day. Check it, multiply 1000 naira times 30 days, you'll be earning 30,000 naira every day. And one good thing about this platform is that you will always see more than 20 jobs that you can perform every single day. So you will never lack any tasks to perform on this website. So you can also post a task that you want people to perform. Maybe you want people to like your video, comment, share. Then you can post them as ad here, and people are going to view your ad, the ad you post. So when we click on referral, another way of making money on this platform is through referral. This is my referral link right here. So if you have a YouTube channel, or you have a website, you can just use this link right here as a referral link. So I'm going to go to bit.ly to shorten this referral link and use it for my YouTube video. I'm going to copy the link and then go back to the website. You can simply earn on famsuptasks.com. This is how you can earn. And if you want to withdraw, as you can see, I have 4 naira already here that I've earned from the work I just did. Thank you very much. I'm Okafe Bichuku. Arms up tax is legit, and this is a simple way that you can start earning money online if you are a beginner. Although earning money on this platform is slow, but with consistency, you can earn up to 1000 naira every single day. So if you are getting value from this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and turn on your bell notification so that anytime I drop a new video, you will get notified. Thank you very much.